Hi YouTubers, it's Evan, the next video right now, so we're Ramble right now, so today's Ramble Sunday, big ass cigar, so second video today, so I know we're Ramble for Fred. I know like Fred likes these rambles, so nice big ass Fred for life, just being silly. I do like Fred, he's a good subscriber of mine. So basically, I want to talk about right now something that happened in my liquor store yesterday in Massachusetts. So I go to my liquor store on a very regular basis to do tasting of wines and whiskeys and vodkas and tequilas, and yes, for the last time I'm over 21, I'm 27 years old for the last time. I really enjoy doing tastings. And what was interesting is this happens on occasion, not always. I go to the liquor store and they card me because they're being careful. You know, they ask for identification, a valid photo ID. I give them my valid photo ID, and they say, "Oh, thank you, Mr. my last name." So very interesting, because one of the aspects of being careful of checking ID, I'm not a lawyer, not giving you legal advice, is making sure that the person you're looking at is actually the person in the ID. So in other words, you don't want to sell alcohol to somebody who doesn't look like the photo ID, because you want to make sure the ID is legitimate. So, and these people, because they're store employees, are trained to identify like fake IDs. For example, if you were Caucasian, you had an ID that said you were African American, it's probably going to be a fake ID, because not a lawyer, not giving you legal advice, but it's probably because you don't look like the person in the ID. So the person said, in other words, you know, "Oh, thank you, Evan, you know, you are of legal age to drink." So very interesting, they use my actual name. So, and that's interesting because not always, sometimes they do say, "Oh, thank you, Mr. not going to say my last name on camera, but you get the point." So it's very interesting. They recognize that you are who you say you are, because I'm sure they do have cases where people try to misrepresent themselves or try to falsely try to buy alcohol underage, which is bad. So obviously, be of legal age, be over 21 for the last time. I am over 21 for the last time. I am 27 years old. Bye. Big ass cigar for life. Nice big ass ramble for life. Bye. Thank you, Fred.